Hey, what's up guys? This is King Seth. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be checking out
goldfish.
No, actually we're not. We're going to be checking out the Glorious Modular Mechanical Keyboard, or the GMMK for short. So the GMMK, it's a keyboard, yeah, but the switches are hot swappable, meaning that if you don't like where certain switch is, you can always just take it out of the slot and put in another one. Now let's open this up. We got some product manuals. Let's get that out of the way. We got a plastic cover. Get that out of the way too. Another cover. Get rid of that. And then here's the GMMK itself with a nice and braided USB cable. So to start off, these are my 104 different mechanical switches, which I've ordered from a numerous amount of websites. Over here we have my keycaps, which I'm going to be putting on the switches. With that out of the way, why don't we get building? Okay, so now the keyboard is done, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick little sound test so you know how the switches sound. And now I'm gonna but now let's plug it in. Just a sec, this is gonna take a while. There's a lot of cables back here. And here. Now you see the lights on the keyboard. They're up. As you see, some of these keys aren't lit up because like they aren't designed for RGB keys, but it looks pretty good. Really beautiful in my opinion. Okay, so that'll conclude my build of a GMMK. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up to show your support. And if you disliked it, you know what to do. And please definitely hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on because I'll have more videos in the future. Feel free to shoot me some video suggestions as well, and I'll see you next time. First person.
Go. The part where I throw it at you.
Okay. This is just a test, okay?
This is a test.
Okay.
This is a test because it's recording and we're talking.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it's just a test. We're gonna trash it.
No.
Hey Taylor, watch out. Let me see.
Oh, frick. You know, just wait like a few seconds, like 1 second, and then you pause it. Try that.
Hey guys, it's King XF. Today we're gonna be checking out.
No, actually we're not. We're gonna be checking out the Glorious Modular Mechanical